Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have the 24-foot by 52-inch Ultra Extra pull set with a sand filter, and it also includes the ladder. Alright, so right here is the Intex 24-foot Ultra Extra. This one has a 2-year guarantee. It comes with the filter, the ladder, the cover, so now we're just going to go and pull everything out of the box and install this. So right here we're opening the top of the box, and inside it is a really massive box. It is about almost 400 pounds, so you will definitely need help to open up this box as well as to carry it. So first off, right here in this cardboard, it tells you how to install the pull. So it's on a cardboard piece of paper right here on how to install it. So this does come in separate boxes. You do get the pull liner, you get the filter, you get the ladder. So the first box on top right here, this is the tarp that you will put beneath the pull. So this one is quite heavy because it is a really big tarp. And then you have the pull liner on the bottom. So the tarp is a gray tarp. This is the tarp right here. This will fit 24 to 52-inch pulls. So here is the liner. The liner itself is super heavy, so I recommend 2 people when pulling this out. This little blue top plastic on the top is basically to save your liner from any punctures from delivery. So right here is the pull cover. So we're just going to take that, put it to the side. You do have a user manual as well as the pull kit repair. You can see your filter, you've got the sand filter, and you've got the top part of the filter as well as the ladder right here at the very bottom. And then right here you have the cover and the liner. And then there's the user manual. This actually will tell you how to install this pull, how to use the filter, and it has your pull patch repair kit inside this. So in the next box, this is the top part of your pull filter. So this is the actual bottom part. It is where the sand filter is. Here is your ladder. This ladder is up to 52 inches, so it fits perfectly with this size pull. So now we went ahead and put down the tarp for the bottom of the pull. And that is pretty massive, as you can see. So now we're going to go and work on putting up the pull with the legs and the rails. So right here we have a few of the rails and the legs up. We still have to get to the back part. There is one suggestion: before you put the legs on, just put the top rails up first so you don't have any problems getting the last rail in, as I did. So going on, not just doing the rails first, I did the legs. I was stuck to the last rail of putting it in. But so far, I've got this all the way up. I even straightened out the liner. You've got your 2 inlets and your 1 outlet. This pull has 2 drain plugs. There's one at the front and there's one at the back. So now I'm just waiting to get the last top part in. So this is a walk around at the back. You have little straps in here to put the legs to hold the pull when it's completely full. So this is the side where the filter goes. This is your outlet. And you get 2 inlet. So here's your first inlet holes. And then here's your second one. So this is what it looks like completely around the pull. So I got a few legs to do, but before I finish off the legs, I have to finish off the rails because the last rail is a little harder to do. Finally, I got up the last rail. We have all the legs in. It looks really nice. We did put another tarp on the bottom of it just to protect it. Here's your T shapes. Making sure that you have all your legs into these straps to hold the weight of the pool. So you have your inlet and your outlet, and down there at the bottom of your outlet you have a drain pipe, and then on this other side you have a drainage. So there's your drainage right down there. There's your inlet, outlet, and then you have another drainage on the other side. So when you need to drain this pool, you have two places to drain the pool. So there's your other one. So with this pool, I did use my Intex pool sand filter. Mine is the 16-inch that holds a lot of sand. It's not the one that came with it, but I liked using the one that I had before. It was a lot bigger. I think the other one that it came with it was like the 12-inch. So here is my filter. And you can see that they have two inlets, and then there's an outlet. So this is a walk around the pool. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some water in the pool. So this is what the pool looks like all the way up. Filter's already connected, but we can't turn the filter on. There's the pool ladder. So now we're starting to fill it. It took me about 2.5 days to completely fill this pool. So this is just the start of it. I think it took about 3 hours before it actually reached the other side of the pool. This pool is completely massive. Last time I had a 22 by 52 and it only took me a day and a half to fill it. So this one does have up to 13,000 gallons of water. So it will take you a bit to completely fill this pool. So we'll be back when we have a little bit more water in this pool. So it'll flatten out the liner a little bit, removing all the wrinkles. Alright, so now it is the next day. We've added a little bit more water to the pool. We have a little tarp under it to keep it protected. So that's what it looks like. I really love this color. This one is a really nice color. So here is more water finally put in there. It's getting to the other side. It did take a lot of time to fill this pool. You can see it glistening off the pool. So the next step is waiting for this to completely fill up, and then we'll come back as soon as the pool is completely full and you can see what it looks like when it has the full amount of water in it. Alright, so now it's the next day. We have it completely full with water. It is really beautiful. It filled out just perfectly. The legs are in line. The liner is just right. You can see that the filter is filtering out right now. I did purchase a chlorine tablet holder. It's like a little leapfrog. And then I'm running my critter on here. I would definitely say if you're looking for a pool, this is the pool to get. This is a beautiful pool and you can enjoy this in the summertime.